Man, be this is the people. This is a taxi stand, you know, you know. This is a Lights Pharmacy again, you know. This is a King Jewelers, shop 35, Queen Street, Marantby, St. Thomas. But people, me there in the market, me there everywhere right now, people. I mean, I love Jamaica. People, me know love Jamaica and they can't wait to come back on the yard. Come see dog rice with the good old Irish march. The good old, some people have carrot there, so. Them have okra there, so. Them have piment, the lady there. This is me, so with my Irish marsh. Dog rice with the Irish marsh. Them there? Irish marsh in a bag. Irish marsh in a bag. So I try to sell the Irish marsh. But them people have carrot, tomato, okra, onion, hot pepper, pimento, beetroot, sweet pepper, Irish, garlic, cucumber, scallion, turmeric, Jesus, everything there. Irish marsh there. Irish marsh there and abundant. And them have all molasses. Them have real coconut oil. Me have Irish marsh. And right away me I fix up my fish gun. We go lick down to the fish. And me I play me music. Me eat little food. And me build a little spliff. And rest in the ashtray. Lord God. So a lady a locking shop. Then lock up your shop, lady. St. Thomas, you're live in Marantby, St. Thomas, and this is dog rice, and I'm giving it to you live from the market, and this is like a road beef. A whole heap of people in the market selling. These onion is the biggest onion I've ever seen in my life. Look at them. These onion are big. People in the front, I don't want to say onion, but not big, so Lord, them onion are big. East Indian mango can't rot it. I wouldn't know come home, people. What's all them sweet potato here? When I don't see potato, I don't see them in a store freeze out. Pimento seed. What, mama? 200. And this, where's up name? I try to video or something. What is name again? Rosa Norman, man. Rotted jackfruit and cherry. Lady, we don't need to left foreign and come down a yard. They kind of everything there market, you know. No, man. A video for show up a foreign. Orange to rotted, go orange. Rotted, go sweet potato, me rotted. This a lady have everything from installed from honey, pine, cabbage. But this lady have all coconut and cinnamon and red peas. She have seasoning. Leave me alone. Ripe plant and banana. Me rotted everything there market. Hey, Lord, everything there. When you come home to Jamaica, my number is 1876-474-2448. When you miss Marantby, when you remember the people, them a walk up a Jung supermarket up a Clive. Lord, over there, so Mr. Wang used to have over there, so. Well, Mr. Wang died. Hello, nice lady, you're sexy. Your bottom is eating off your shorts. And you know, Marantby is getting nicer and nicer. And you can see the road is clean. Our mayor, Mr. Ryan, has keep the bay clean. Nobody can sell on the outside again as they gone to jail. Any car clamp on the road. So you may say, look, board is not board, it's just that the car then can't park anywhere again. Yeah. And you know, say, if Kingsley never died, I say Kingsley out the road and then would have part of the KD night. So my nice friend that sells some nice things. And right now, everything there in St. Thomas. My name is Computer Brains, they call me Dog Rice. My number is 1876474. Any nice single ladies of a foreign wants a nice Indian man to be their husband, contact me right now. Because guess what? I'm free, single, and disengaged. And I would really love a real relationship. You know me I talk about, because I'm an artist, you know. I remember, and me did say, me a shit and them a call me. Me a make dinner and them a call me. What do you want me do? Put on my food and run, go answer a rotted phone. The whole I no half off, you know. You see me? So, no, sir, dog, guys. Fullest. Man, they St. Thomas, here we come. This is what you want. Longing to see your place. All the people over there in Trinidad, my sister Joette, my sister Marcy up there in New York, my sister over there in Canada, my sister over there in England, Ruth, my sister Patsy from Canada, big up. Big up to my brother over there, Joseph. Big up on yourself. I love the whole town. Big up everybody over that. Big up to my little brother Tyrone in England. Big up to my brother in Canada, Pat Tony. Yeah. Right now, back on the job. Now I got to do some work, you know, you see.